Welcome to today's chatter, no frills tech news with the top 5 stories of the day. We talk about McDonald's Cloud tech, AI in your pocket, solar energy, job choices, generalist versus specialist, and movie title drops. First up, McDonald's. Can McDonald's tech serve up fast food faster? 69 million daily orders are processed by a real-time, event-driven architecture. McDonald's leverages AWS-based architecture to automate, scale, and streamline order processing. Real-time processing ensures customers' orders are fulfilled instantly, enhancing user experience. This scales globally, meaning customers everywhere experience the same efficiency, which is amazing for McDonald's. Critics say traditional databases and simpler solutions could handle this load and be reliable as well. Also, the high-tech architecture may not be customer-facing value. This is not about what McDonald's has, but more what they do with it. The architecture success hinges on its ability to support integrations and future services. Next up, we talk about AI in your pocket. AI in your pocket, MobileLLM. MobileLLM nearly matches Llama's bigger 7 million parameter model accuracy and API task despite just being under 1 billion parameters. Meta's mobile LLM model optimizes small-scale language models designed to work directly on mobile devices, with impressive gains in accuracy and efficiency. This enables language models to run locally on your phone, minimizing data sent to the cloud. This opens possibilities for use cases where latency, getting a response right away, and privacy, no one will see your data, is essential. However, lower parameter counts might limit quality of advanced reasoning tasks where larger models thrive. Adoption depends on app developers willing to implement these small-scale models effectively. Broader adoption of mobile LLM and similar smaller models will depend on identifying real-world use cases where speed and privacy matters more than quality. Next up, solar energy. Solar shines on you. 1% of the energy in Earth's sunlight is enough to meet humanity's entire energy needs 100 times over. Technology advancements combined with economies of scale are driving down the cost of solar panels, making them a more attractive and accessible energy solutions. Solar's levelized cost of energy, so the total cost over its lifetime, is on par with wind and cheaper than nuclear or fossil fuels. Solar power is finding innovative uses like micro installations on balconies, as well as large scale applications like powering entire data centers. Integrating large amounts of solar energy into existing electricity grids requires significant upgrades. And solar power generation depends on sunlight availability, requiring solutions for energy storage. Capital requirements and geographic limitations determine who can benefit from solar today. But further material science, electrical grid, and battery innovations will allow for broader access. Let's talk about your career. Job generalist versus specialist. Choose your player. Pareto applies, you can reach 80% skill level in just a few years. Building broad skills early on fosters independence and adaptability, leading to better opportunities for impact. Multi-skill learning is efficient and supports faster career growth while giving you exposure to multiple fields, which also helps identify your true interest. Plus, diverse skills offer protection from industry changes. But companies may favor depth over breadth, especially for experienced hires, reducing generalist appeal. Furthermore, specialists can achieve higher pay sooner in highly skilled roles. That's just the truth. A horizontal skill base, though, is a strong career foundation. From there, you can take a more informed decision on future specialization. And last up, we talk about movie title drops. Movies are more meta than ever. In 73,921 analyzed movies, about one third had at least one title drop, meaning a character in the movie says out loud the name of the movie. Filmmakers are increasingly including title drops, a trend that has become more noticeable over time. This engages audiences with an extra layer of self-awareness. It also reflects modern trends toward meta-narratives. But this could be a sign of weaker storytelling, especially in poorly reviewed films, and it doesn't always add real value to the plot or character. You don't necessarily need someone say, "Oh, Sauron must be the Lord of the Rings," to really understand the movie. Title drops are unnecessary. A meta reference itself does not make a movie meta. Good messaging in business, like in movie, requires nuance.